What up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create custom matches in Fortnite. It shouldn't be that hard, but let's get right into the video. I'll try to keep this as short as I can. Real quick, before I start this video, I want to let you guys know I'm doing a V-Bucks giveaway. All you guys got to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, follow me on Twitter, and retweet my pinned comment, alright? If you guys do all that, good luck. I'm doing the giveaways at 4K. It's going to be 1,000 V-Bucks. And hope you guys have a good chance of winning. Good luck. There's not a lot of people that join. Just like maybe, I think like 5-6 people. So like the chance of you winning is pretty high. So yeah, take care. Peace out. I think the best way to find custom Fortnite matchmaking is just to do it yourself. So this is based on my experience, and hopefully this helped you guys out too. Alright, so every time when I go live stream, I set my game to solo. I tell everybody in my stream or my Twitter, whatever, Discord, make sure they set their game on NA East, because that's my server. Tell them hit apply and choose your game mode, right? So usually we play duels or squad, and for this example I'm going to click on solo. Once you click on solo, you hit custom option, and your code, I believe you can it has to be more than 3 characters. So let me give an example, 3 characters, see if it works. I don't think it will work. Hit accept again, and play, and it should not work because it's not enough characters. I think the minimum have to be 4 characters. So I'm gonna put Jack, J-A-C-K. As long as you have access to custom matchmaking, you can make whatever key, right? So you hit Jack, hit play, and it should work. So if you're hosting a custom matchmaking game, right, you want to be the first one to start it. Then later tell everyone to start their match as well. So the queue players, that's, I don't know, some kind of glitch. That's not the actual amount of numbers. I wish it is, so I know how many people are in my game. But that's not the right number. I didn't even tell anybody that I'm streaming right now. So that you can start the game. It will show you how many lobby you have. So I'm gonna start this game and let you guys see how you create your own custom games. So let's do that. So joining the game, I should be the only one in the server, in this lobby. Just showing you guys, see? So that's pretty much how you start your own Fortnite custom matches. Have any more questions, let me know. Keep in mind, you need to have access to custom matchmaking in order to do this, alright? And maybe tomorrow I'll make a video on how to join a custom match. It should be pretty easy too, but a lot of people don't know how to do it, so I'll make sure I do it correctly. Anyways, so just to make sure I explain this correctly, I'm gonna do this one more time. So whatever server you play on, make sure you tell your viewers or your fans that that's the region you should set on. For me, I would say NA East, because that's the server I play on, right? Hilarious. Tell them to match their game mode to your game mode. Solo, duo, squad, team rumble, classic squad, yada yada, arenas. Alright, so I'll put mine on solo. Go to custom options on the bottom right. Put in your whatever code you want to make. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4 or turkey, I don't know, fruit, or whatever, right? Whatever code you put in, make sure you announce it to your viewer. You hit accept, alright? Don't hit close. Hit accept. Then hit accept again in the game, because you want to play solo. Then hit play. Then everybody that wants to join, they gotta match your custom keys. And all the other players will be in this lobby until you start the match. Alright? You guys have any questions, like I said, just leave it down in the comments. I will try my best to answer. If you guys want to get a supporter creator code, I have a video on that. I'll have a whole playlist on the somewhere on the top right. I'll leave it in the description, also on the top right as well. And yeah, I have another video on custom matchmaking and how to get it, and I'll give you a short version of that as well. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Take care, guys. Appreciate it.